Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of Comparing Quantities. This is 10th question of its exercise 8.2. So the question says that a local cricket team played 20 matches in a session. In one session, it won 20% of them, 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So हमें given है total matches played by local team. हमें given है 20 and it won 25% of them. So percentage of matches won by local team is equal to हमें given है 25% and हमें फाइंड आउट करना है how many matches did they win. So number of matches won by local team is equal to 25% of 20 is equal to 25% का साइन हटाने के लिए हम 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे of 20 means into 20. 25 से 100 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 4 टाइम 4 से 20 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 5 टाइम so it's equal to 5. So number of matches won by the local team is 5. Thank you.